Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going through exercise 1.8 of the C programming language textbook by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. Now, exercise 1.8 says to write a program to count blanks, tabs, and new lines. So the first thing I'm going to do is declare and initialize 3 integers that will keep count of the amount of blanks, tabs, and new lines encountered. Next, we need to find a way to read in input from the user. Now, I'm going to do this using an integer C and the standard method provided in the book. That is, using the function getChar, and I'm going to read in input from the user up until an enter file is encountered. Now we need to find what was that character that the user just input. So we need to check. Was that character a blank? If so, increment the value of blanks. Now here we would usually use an if-else statement. However, it hasn't been introduced into the book thus far, so we'll just go ahead with another if statement. This time we'll check if the user input a tab. Now, recall that a tab has the escape sequence \t. Now, if a \t or a tab wasn't counted, we need to increment tabs. And finally, we will check for a new line character, and once again recall that the new line character is \n. And if it wasn't counted, we should increment new lines. Now, after the ender file has been counted, let us just print out the number of blanks, tabs, and new lines encountered. So the number of blanks is this much. The number of tabs is, and the number and we'll print out their respective values. If we now save this program, compile it, and run it, and I'll just test it with this is a test. And then I'll hit Control D, and the number of blanks is 3. 1, 2, 3. The number of tabs is 0, and the number of new lines is 1. Here. Now if I just do it one more time, this time this is, and now I'm going to hit, this is a, and now I'm going to hit tab, test. Now I'm going to type Control D for EOF. And this time the number of blanks is 2, 1 here, 1 here, the number of tabs is 1 here, and the number of new lines is here at the end. So it works as expected. Now that will be all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.